Hey, and welcome back. Thanks for watching. We want to show you what can be achieved on a relatively economical budget for a grind and seal finish. This is actually a Disney IT area near Disneyland in Anaheim. This was just a grind and seal. We had to cut back the floor, smooth off the surfaces, take off any existing substrates, maybe that carpet glue or tile thin set. We had to fill all the holes, patch the surface, and once that's done, we've got a relatively smooth, presentable finish with a very light sheen or a flat matte finish depending on the client's spec. In this case it was relatively flat. You can see all the holes in the cracks and some of the little chipping divots in the floor had been filled so that the floor was flush. And then we applied a sealer over the area and evenly spread it and broadcast it across the floor. And it really, including a hardening system, it really just allows for a very rustic industrial finish. It's very attractive, it's very in vogue, and it really gets the job done. The clients were very happy. The room is now being utilized well. It has great durability, and it has a great kind of rustic finish. So we hope that you'd reach out to us. Please subscribe to the channel, watch other videos on our channel, and get an idea of what options that are out there that we provide. Have a great day, and all the best on your next project.